This video is brought to you by SPECDTUNING.com. On this video installation, we'll learn how to install projector headlights for Toyota Corolla 2003 to 2007. This installation will require us to remove the front bumper. By doing so, we can start by removing the 4 bolts pointed with red arrows. In the bumper vent, we'll notice that right in front of the radiator there are 2 clips indicated with yellow arrows. Please have these clips removed. Right behind the wheel well, where the front bumper and the fender meets, we'll notice that there is 1 bolt that needs to be removed. Right on top of the front bumper, there are 2 bolts and 1 clip that also need to be removed. Please remove these clips and bolts before we can move on to the next step. We can now remove the front bumper. On the side of the headlight, there is a black bracket with a screw in it. Please have the bolt removed. Once that's done, move over to the top of the headlights where we can remove 2 additional bolts. Now that the bolts are gone, we can now pop up the clip that's at the corner of the headlights. Once that's done, pull out the headlight slightly, that way to expose the back end and remove all applicable harnesses. Bring over the new projector headlights, place back all the harnesses. Once that's done, you can replace back all the screws and the bolts that we removed from earlier, starting with the ones for the headlights, then to the ones for the front bumper, and so on. Your new Corolla projector headlights are now ready to light up the street. Please check all lighting before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you. Thank you for choosing SPECD Tuning videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.